create a password and name for through the whole process of setting it up. And so this is the dashboard for WordPress. This is what you'd see every time you log in. And this is where we start beginning the whole content management system. You have a whole system that manages and contains all your files, all your posts, all your settings, everything. And so dashboard, kind of, we get a little overview of the content. Quick Press, we can quickly add a new blog post to our blog right here, and various other things that I have obviously not set up yet. And to continue down, obviously under dashboard we can set up some updates, which I hear that it's very beneficial to run updates occasionally, because people can hack into your WordPress and start messing around with it. So that's definitely pretty important. Okay, and we're just going to kind of go down this whole links and go over what each one entails. So under posts, if we click on that, we'll see under here that I don't have any yet, since this is just kind of a mock site. But every blog post that we submit on that Quick Press or whatever, we can actually see here, and we can also add a new one here. So I'll go ahead and, for example, say do one. Okay, so this is example one, and then I'm going to grab a little bit of Lorem Ipsum there, a couple sentences, and grab a little bit more. Okay, so now we have our title, our actual blog post, and we can do various things under here that, you know, some people do, some people don't. We can also then make a category. I haven't made any categories yet, but we can actually make a category called examples. And then we can actually, so if we have a bunch of blog posts that are related to web design or Photoshop or Illustrator, we could actually categorize those into different categories. Better way of organizing it. And so we'll go ahead and post this, and we just hit publish. And you also notice that there's a tab here that says visual and HTML, so you can actually just type away and add images from up here, add different media, alignment and bullet points, and then you can also actually edit in the HTML, where you could, you know, add a line break if you wanted to, close the P tag. You could do various things in there and it'll pick it up. So let's go back to posts, and we should have another post. There it is, example one. And I don't have a blog set up on this particular site, but it would show up under the blog page. So we'll continue, and you can actually, from this posts pane, you can edit, quick edit, which just means like I could change the category if I wanted to. Various things throughout there that you can do. Again, here's some more options down here. And to continue, we have media, which basically just contains some files that I've uploaded, and it's an easy way, like instead of having multiple JPEGs of this KFC, I could have just gone in here and grabbed different ones. So I'm going to go ahead and delete some of these ones that we're not using, if I can, through here. Yeah, I should be able to. Delete. Okay, so this is just a way, this is how you manage the actual images and whatnot on your machine, or on your website. And this links panel, I'm not really sure what this is. I haven't used it at all. But there's some preloaded links in here. I guess it's just another way to manage some of your buttons or whatnot. And then down to pages. So if we go over some of the pages here, we have quite a few. And so you have to make a page in order to have content on that page. You have to have a page in order to direct a piece of navigation to that page. So we'll go ahead and create a new one. And I'm going to call this example 1 as well. We'll call it example page 1. And then I'm going to put some lorem ipsum in there. So right now we are creating a page, and you can see here that the permalink, so davidodin.com/WordPress/example page 1. And we'll go over how you can actually set that naming convention. And we can obviously edit this particular one right here if we decide to go stray away from our naming convention. So we can do different things like set parent pages. We can have a default template, which for my theme, Contact, actually puts in a form for you, and so you don't even have to build that form for Contact. And then Portfolio, all you have to do is upload images, and it puts it in like a, and that's what we plan to do for the archive pages on the Central Virginia Wine Festival site. So you can do that, and I'll go ahead and publish this. And you can, there's various things you can edit down here. So if we had multiple authors, we could set that. We can have a custom field in here if we feel like it. I would probably do that through the HTML though, instead of doing it through here, just because I'd be more comfortable with that. So we go back to pages, and we can actually see where is it? Example page 1. And so now that page has been set, but if we go to the actual website that I'm messing with, right now there isn't a actual a visible page, so we have to set that page to be seen.